Hello, welcome to Marine Courses Center. Today we're gonna complete a course of concept of celestial navigation, and we're gonna finish this chapter today. Okay, so I want please to make a revision about something so important, as we have talked before that if we have this circle and this is B and this is B dash, and we have it here this circle Q and Q dash, okay, and we have from here to here is something called celestial meridian, fine, and this is celestial equator. And if we have a heavenly body here, so the intersection here, let's to say X double dash, so from B to X to the heavenly body, that's meaning from B to X, that's meaning polar distance, fine, okay. And from X to X dash, from X to X double dash, that's meaning declination, okay. And from Q to the X dash, from Q to X double dash, that's meaning local hour angle, okay. And we have another thing, this thing, it was here Z zenith and Z dash nadir, and we have it here like circle, this circle is horizon, fine, okay. And we have it like this, and we have it like this. So if we have here a heavenly body, another heavenly body, so here it's gonna to be on the horizon, here it's gonna to be X dash. So from Z to X, from Z to X, that's called zenith distance. And from X to horizon, from X to X dash, that's meaning altitude. And if we have said this is north, so from north to X, from north to X dash, that's meaning azimuth, fine. That we have ever talking before in the last lectures, okay. I want you to make sure that local hour angle is measured from 0 to 360 in direction of westward, and this azimuth from 0 to 360 in eastward, okay.